Welcome to Subramani. A few years ago, when I walked into the cabin of a CEO, he asked me, Subra, how do you find so much time for blogging? And then my eyes tore into him. And then he quickly added and he said, no, even if I get time, I wouldn't know how to blog. But I'm still wondering how you get time to blog. So I told him, I don't do many of the things which you do. I don't attend network meetings. I don't have to tell a boss it's a pleasure meeting him. And this is the person who told me that he will retire at 55, but he's at 62 or around 62, and he's still working. And he says, my boss doesn't let me go. He has enough money to feed the next 3 generations, but the craving of a big car, of a big office, of so many people saying yes, just doesn't go away. Right? You have to give up all those things. That's not easy. Not very many people are able to give up a corporate life. Even I find it odd that I don't have a corporate life, but then I never had a corporate life. So it was easy for me not to crave for it. Or I had it so long back that even I've forgotten how it is to have a corporate life. That must have been 1999. So it's not really 20 years now. So I don't really miss it. But let me tell you one thing. When do I write my blog? Or it's throughout the day that I'm writing my blog. I'm writing it in my head. The question you're asking is, when do I put it on the machine? When do I put pen to paper? That's the question that you're asking. That I may need only 5 minutes or 10 minutes, because the article is constantly being written. When I'm talking to you, I'm writing an article. When I'm sitting in a train and traveling, I'm writing an article. So how do I find time for all this? What are the things that I've really given up? I've given up a lot of things, and let me just summarize. I don't do network meetings. There is something called people meet at breakfast, telling each other about business opportunities. I don't have to do that. I don't do mass mailings. I don't prospect for clients. I never ever chase clients for business. I do get business, and I do business which comes to me. The need to chase has gone away, so need to attend seminars, webinars is really dramatically reduced. No network lunches. I don't need to meet centers of influence. I don't have to go to the institute meetings. I don't have to go for any of those kind of stuff which people do. I don't have to do hitting somebody for an account, talking to them. I don't have to do any of that stuff. If I have any business, it's because my existing clients refer some business, and that's about it. Other than that, in fact, I spend more time saying no, because every day I get somebody who's saying, will you manage my money? And I just direct them to other financial advisors, somebody in Bombay, somebody in Chennai, somebody in Bangalore, somebody in Delhi, somebody even in Indore. So I just direct people to other people, because I'm not registered as an RIA or anything like that. And I've also stopped doing a lot of things which others do. Like once upon a time, I used to read 3 newspapers. I used to watch a lot of sports. Then suddenly something happened. I did some stories on sports, and I realized that it's not worth watching. So even though there was such a great test match, now I did not watch a single ball, and after the match was over, I watched the summary. Yes, occasionally I go to CricBuzz or Cricinfo, and I track what is happening in the match, but maybe I'm watching the last 5 minutes on that too on my laptop, not on my television. The only things that I like to watch on television are music shows and things like that, which again the television is playing at one part and I'm doing something else. I'm either reading, or I'm writing, or I'm not shooting a video, because I shoot a video at 4 a.m. at a time when the whole world is asleep, or rather most part of the world is asleep. So I get a chance to go to the gym. I get a chance to go to buy grocery at a time when I want to. I get a chance to do many of those things. And I get a lot of time to blog. I get a lot of time to think as to what people would want to hear, and I completely go by guess. I can only say, if I put up a video and it gets 2,000 hits or 3,000 hits, and say, oh, people want to watch this. And if I solve a problem for Suresh coming and saying, I have invested, what is to be done, and I get 642 hits, I don't do more of that. So I prioritize among what I want to do, rather than make a list of what I must do. What I must do has dramatically reduced it's filing your monthly GST return, or it is filing your annual income tax return. These are the must do things. Other than that, I attend all invitations, I attend all functions which I wish to attend rather than which I must attend for getting more business. Having given up that side, life is a ball. Thank you.